Today we are going to take a closer look at this Rockjam beautiful keyboard. This Rockjam keyboard comprises of 61 keys and lots of other buttons which are for different other features. The model name of this keyboard is Rockjam RJ561 61 keys electronic keyboard super kit, and you get it for a price of 6,000 INR from India. It has two speakers, one on the right and one on the left, lots of other buttons, 61 keys. This red button is the power on off button. There are different tones in the chart which you can see right now. This is the electronic display. Over here is another chart for rhythms. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are for selecting different tones, rhythms, etc. And we have other buttons. So let's review this beautiful instrument. Okay, so let's review this keyboard. Well, the entire keyboard is not fitting inside the screen because it's very big. We have one speaker over here, right here where you can see my hand, and other speakers over here. We have the chart for the different tones. There are about 199, 200 tones. This is the chart for tones. Over here we have the chart of rhythms. There are lots of rhythms, 200 rhythms in all. We have different other keys. Well, this red button which you can see right at the tip of my finger is the power on a button. You have to plug it from the power source using the adapter which is provided with the keyboard. You press this button and the keyboard powers off, and when it powers on, you're going to get to see a blue light over here because this is the LED display. Well, I'm sure you can see that. It is blue, but it is appearing a little whitish on the screen because of its brightness. It is really, really bright. These things you can see, I'm going to give you an entire description of all the buttons over here. This button is for single finger, this is for fingered, this is for chord tones, this is for vibrato, this is for sustain, this is for increasing and decreasing the volume, increasing and decreasing the FM volume. That one was for the master volume. This is the transpose, increasing and decreasing. Here we have the start and stop, the sync, fill-in, chord off, slow, tempo, fast. These are the buttons for the keyboard percussion. It's in keyboard percussion. The first button is for keyboard percussion. After you press that, you will be able to play percussion instruments, different kinds, drums, whatever you want, right from the keyboard. There are different other buttons. You can also play them from here, but I'd rather suggest to play them from the keyboard. So we'll take a look at that later. Just talk about all the buttons. Over here are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This yellow is for dual keyboard. This is for metronome. This is for tone select. This is for rhythm select. This is for demo. This is for record. As you want to play something and you want to record it, you press this button, and after playing it again, press it and it will be recorded. Rhythm program, playback, and whatever you'll be recording, if you press this, you'll be able to get to hear it later. This is for single course. This is for sync course. This is for concert course, and over here it's written teaching system. Well, I bought this keyboard a long time ago. I didn't get really time to put a review for this because this review needs a lot of time. Well, I have already uploaded an unbox video and that has already crossed 3,000 views, I guess. Well, so let's first start with the keyboard percussion, shall we? I'm pressing this button. After pressing this button, the keyboard percussion will be enabled. So now I will be able to play percussion instruments from the keyboard. So let's try, okay? These are the black keys and we have white keys. Can you hear that? If you want, I can increase the volume. Increasing the volume. This is for clap. You can also play it from here for different parts of drums. You can play it also from here. So this is really exciting. I'm going to disable the keyboard percussion. So the keyboard percussion is off. I'm sure you can see OF over here. Well, now let's take a look at different tones. So this is now the piano tone, which you can hear. The keys are really soft and the sound quality is fantastic. You know what that is? You remember? I'm not going to play it now because I will upload another video separately for that music. Well, so this is normal piano tone. Let's select a tone. I'd like to select harmonium because I'm getting many comments. I received 2 comments about if there is harmonium tone, so I'm going to show them. The first, selecting tones, you need to click over here, this tone select. So now whatever you select from the number will be the tone. You need to see the number of the harmonium from the chart. It's here at 22, so I'm going to click right 22. So now it will be harmonium. I'm sure you can understand the feel of the harmonium. So this is a combo keyboard, you know, all kinds of tones. It has lots of tones, different types of guitars, motherboards, harmonica, lots and lots. Even saxophones are there, violin, trumpet. So let's select trumpet, shall we? Let's select a trumpet. I don't really get anything to do with doing, for time pass and all. That's why I bought this keyboard, not for a daily basis, just to feel good while playing it. Well, let's next go to the demo. This is for the demo. You press this, a song will start. You can select anyone else from whatever you want to from these numbers. You get a separate manual with this. Over there all the demos are written, the names of the demos, because so many charts cannot be fitted on the keyboard because the speakers, that's where the tones and the rhythms are there. This is not at number 0. I'm going to change it to jingle bells, okay? 22 is for jingle bells. From here. That's why this electronic display has been given. So mostly whatever I learn, I just see this, memorize it, whichever key is pressed after which, and then I get to learn how to play it on the keyboard myself. So it's a great instrument, Another one is there. I don't really know its name. We just select this. It is also famous one, right? Don't really remember the name of it. I don't really remember. This one, yes, exactly. It's for 29. And for stopping, whatever you want, this is for I said this is the start and stop button. You click it, it will stop whatever is being played. So, you saw that? It's a fantastic instrument to have in possession, like I earlier said. So this is the entire keyboard. It comes along with the stand, Rockjam. I'm sure you can see it's sitting in front of it. It's a metal stand, quite durable, and also with a cushion. This cushion is soft padded with foam and sponge. Gives you a very comfortable, makes you feel very comfortable when you sit on it. So this is my Rockjam RJ561 61 keys electronic keyboard super kits review. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye. We'll meet quick.